There is two different modes of this reproduction. One is the sexual mode of reproduction and the other one is asexual mode of reproduction. Sexual mode of reproduction is the mode of reproduction which is called biparental, meaning thereby that there is involvement of two parents, one the male parent and the other one the female parent, and both the parents have to produce their gametes. The male gamete and the female gamete. This is the male gamete and this is the female gamete. And by the fusion of these two gametes, a single-celled structure zygote is formed, which ultimately develops into a new organism. This mode of reproduction is known as sexual mode of reproduction. If we talk of asexual mode of reproduction, this asexual mode of reproduction is uniparental. That is, there is involvement of only one parent and the offsprings produced by the asexual mode of reproduction and the sexual mode of reproduction both have a marked difference. In asexual mode of reproduction, the mode is uniparental where no gametes are involved. The difference between the offsprings produced sexually and asexually is quite evident. Those offsprings produced sexually have variation. No two different offsprings of a same organism is identical. This is called a variation, and this variation has a lot of factor. Environmental factor is there, genetic factor is there, and some other factors also. If we talk of asexual mode of reproduction, the offsprings produced through this mode are very much similar to their parents and they maintain their genetic identity, meaning thereby no variation is there. This is the difference between the sexual and asexual mode of reproduction. At the same time, there is a vast array of organisms that you students have learned in class 11 in the chapter Diversity in the Living Organism. You have read that organisms on this earth which are existing today or from the time immemorial, there are unicellular organism, unicellular to multicellular. Animals, from tiny size to gigantic size. Plants living on land to aquatic plants, also growing in deserts. So there is a large variety of organisms